quadcopters for beginners. First thing we're going to talk about is orientation. You hear that word a lot. It's telling the back from the front. And this one, obviously, I've marked it with electrical tape. It's clear to see during the day, even when the sun is out, because you can't always see the lights. Nighttime flying is better because you can see the lights. Green for the back, orange I'd call them for the front. Another thing you can do for orientation is what I've done here is actually, as you can see, I've painted the blades. Obviously I know when it's in the sky, front to back from that. But as you learn, you can tell by the movement of the quad as to what direction it's going in anyway. But to begin with, I would recommend something like the Cyma X5C1. Strong quadcopter, really well built. It can take a crash, and it's very docile. It's easy to fly with. It's not aggressive. As you move on, you can move on to the H8C, which is a little bit more aggressive, and then I've got the Tarantula in there as well. Another thing to learn is blade rotation. Obviously when you change the blades, the easiest way to learn this is to see that you have a high edge and a low edge on there. The high edge is always the leading edge, the direction the blade needs to go in. So on this one, the high edge is this side, so it's a clockwise. On that one, the high edge is that side. You can see the lower edge and the high edge. That's counterclockwise. You do have these marked sometimes. You have you'll have A on there for clockwise and B for counterclockwise. The easiest way to remember it is to look at the blades, the way they're formed. Yeah, and obviously when you've got the front and back, this will be clockwise. On the opposite side, this will be clockwise. On this one, this will be counterclockwise, and this will be counterclockwise. So if you remember that, whatever's blade is there, it's going to be the same on the back right, and whatever blade is on the front right will be the same on the rear left. It's pretty easy really once you get to learn it. Yeah, this is a great quadcopter to learn with anyway. I'd recommend this one. I'll put a link in the description for you on this. And yeah, have fun in flying, and I'll try and make some more tutorials if you like, and subscribe. Thanks.